Did you know that bees start out their lives as eggs? Let's buzz into the life of a bee. It all starts with a tiny egg inside the hive. The egg hatches into a squirmy larva. And you know what? It's hungry and it's growing fast. So it eats and it grows and it molts. And then it's time for the next step. The larva wraps itself in wax and becomes a pupa. It stays in this stage for about 12 days, and then a young bee is born, and it's ready to fly off and find some flowers to pollinate. From egg to worker, bees are nature's busy builders. They build the hive, they make the honey. They even collect the pollen and nectar from the plants. And without bees, we wouldn't have any of these delicious foods. So let's all take a moment to appreciate these little egg-laying machines.